Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to find the rank category. So each product wise an ascending order we're going to see. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding DAX. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'm gonna explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain so what kind of tables I have imported from the Excel. Okay, so category, date, geography, internet sales, product, sales territory, subcategory. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel. So we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension table and fact table. So understanding relationship, it's very important. We'll try to understand that is also. Just click on model, collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. Now you can see that already I have established the relationship between the dimension tables and fact table. So for example, if I place the mouse over here, we can see that based on this product key, we have enabled the relationship between the product table and internet sales. Even you can see that what kind of direction it is. It's like one direction to many direction. It means that the filter propagation flowing from the product table to the internet sales. Like that, I have established the remaining table also. We'll try to talk more in upcoming sessions. For timing, we'll try to understand today's report only. Just click on report. So this is the matrix as well. So in this, what I've done here is, so I'm just taking the first category. Why is first category 1 to 5? It means that, so I'm just taking what are the ranks in the product table from the ascending order. I'm just taking 1 to 5 between the rank sales in 2001, in 2002, in 2003, in 2004. Likewise, I'm displaying. So I'll try to take the snipping. I'll explain. So here we have 4 category. In first category, so I am taking the ranks between 1 and 5 in ascending order in 2001. Okay, in 2002, in 2003, in 2004. So in second category, I am taking the ranks product wise in ascending order 6 to 10. So what are the ranks? Are there 6 to 10 sales? I'm just taking in 2001, 2002, 2003, 4. Like that, I have created the measures. So this is the total sales each year wise. So this is the sales amount in 2001, 2, 3, 4, like that. But in this rank sale underscore 1, so this value is the 1 to 5 ranks in between the sales. For example, in page 1, so now you can see that in 2001, so this is the product wise sales amount on ranks. So if you sum 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these sales amount, so 1 to 5 rank sales, now you can able to see this one, 13,990. So if you sum this one, 39. Okay, so like that. So I have created, because all these 3 measures are give the same result only. Okay, there's no difference at all, the slight difference. Even I have created 2 days back one video, but that is regarding the descending order, but this is the ascending order. But there are some cases we will get requirement like I want to find the category wise 1 to 5 category each year wise what is the sales amount. So in that cases, this scenario very helpful. So I'll try to show what kind of expressions I have created to get this expected output on the. So just put on the demo measure here. So total sales. So I have used the one variable. So in this variable I have used the calculate sum x, and finally I'm just validating what are these values are blank or not. If not blank, return the blank. So if not blank, return this expression. If it is blank, return this blank value. So like that I have created this expression. So for the rank 1, so I have used the rank x function here. So before giving the ranks, I'm just filtering what are the products having the sales, only products take it. So otherwise, if the product doesn't have any sale, just ignore it. And finally, I'm just validating ranking minimum, ranking maximum. Based on that logic, it will work. So, and it gives the values each year wise. Okay, so even we can find similar kind of video in descending order in 2 days back, but this is ascending order. So like that we can design this report and all. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for our videos.